Under the clear sky of Katapunan, Nicomedes slowly walked toward the oval of Jose Rizal Memorial State University. The surroundings were peaceful, filled only with the gentle sound of the wind and students practicing nearby. He had long wanted to refresh his driving skills. The last time he drove a four-wheeled vehicle was back in 2016 at Parañaque National High School, under the Alternative Learning System, ALS. But it wasn't on public roads. He only drove inside the school grounds, circling near the flagpole, nervous yet determined. Since then, he had not driven again. Life happened. 9 years passed. Now in 2025, he once again felt the desire to hold the steering wheel. As he stood beside the oval, memories rushed back. The scent of the car seats, the feeling of pressing the accelerator, the careful step on the brake. Yet one question lingered in his mind. Can I still do it? Unexpectedly, someone called his name. Nicomedes. He turned and saw a familiar face, his classmate from Katapunan National High School. They hadn't seen each other for years. They exchanged stories and talked about the past. During their conversation, his classmate mentioned that he now owned a car. It was like a light suddenly turned on in Nicomedes' mind. Without hesitation, he asked, "Can I join you? I'd like to refresh my driving." His classmate smiled. "Sure. Let's go. We'll start at the oval, it's safe." They got into the car. As Nicomedes held the steering wheel, his palms felt cold. He briefly closed his eyes, remembering the lessons from 2016. Seatbelt, mirrors, gear, brake. Slowly, he started the engine. The car moved forward. On the first lap around the oval, he felt nervous. On the second lap, his confidence slowly returned. By the third lap, he found himself smiling. Skills are never truly lost. Sometimes, they just need to be practiced again. As they circled the oval, it felt like time itself was circling back through his memories. But now, he was stronger and more confident. After several laps, he stopped the car. He took a deep breath and smiled. "Thank you," he said to his classmate. "You've still got it," his friend replied. That day, Nicomedes didn't just refresh his driving skills. He refreshed his self-confidence. Sometimes, all we need is courage and a friend willing to support us. And at the oval of Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Nicomedes' journey began again.
Basta, kalimot sa ko na. Pag yun ako brake, clutch, side brake, matik tayo.
Pakay ng, pero hindi na itong buko.
Huwag naglag, dahan lang.
Dahan lang. Kasi first step pa natin. Kontrolado pa natin dapat. Kaya nasa clutch yung paa mo. Kasi pag malayo yung paa mo, talaga mataranta ka.
Dahan lang yung accelerator, tapos clutch. Yan lang. Tapos pila.
Yan guys, o.
Dahan lang guys, ha.
Naka 1 na lang ako. Ayan, di ba kanal yan dyan? So ayan, straight dapat yung takbo mo dyan.
Tingnan lang.
Naman na naman yung straight yung sa gulong, makita talaga.
Control lang kamay.
Control lang. Mamahulog tayo sa kanal.
Hop.
Ayan, balik.
Yan.
Ayan guys.
Yan lang guys, madali lang yan.
Balik tayo, mahulog tayo sa kanal. Dahan lang.
Kapag control mo yung ano, okay. Ganyan lang, ganyan.
Iba natin sa side mirror, bako pa ililiko.
Oo, tingin mo na. Okay, straight. Okay, balik, straight. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yan. Konti na lang.
Kaya nyo rin, kaya ko rin.
Kanina guys, parang kinakabahan din ako. Ano to, parang hindi marunong magligo to Kung sobra yung manabila.
Sobra din ng gas.
Okay.
Pero i-brake ako, i-handbrake ko. Wala mga handbrake dyan.
Ikaw na lang. Clutch. Tapos neutral mo, brake, neutral mo na. Okay.
Tapos
Unbrake.
handbrake.
Okay. Okay, yan guys.
Pag ito, makita to.
Okay na yan. Thank you muna.
Hi guys, yun lang guys. Yun lang yung araw natin. So, next episode na naman, yung talagang 120 na yan. Yung
Konti na
liko.
lang guys. Parang ano.
Pero hindi ako mag-highway ha. Malaki sa buhay.
Okay.